Sahara. Welcome to Craft Kids. So today I'm going to make cute bottles and they're very fun. They're very easy. All I have is food coloring, glitter, stickers, a Sharpie, bottles that you could get from the dollar store, water, and Orbeez. I got my jars from the dollar store and I got this from Target. I got the glitter from also Target. I got this from the Daiso in Long Beach. And then I got my water from my house in my sink. I got the Orbeez from Target too. And this is just my little example of the Orbeez. You could also get this guy at the dollar store and you could pop it and there's Orbeez for you. So first, I am gonna fill the jars up with water. I'm going to fill it up to maybe not as much. Like that much. Almost all the way full, but not all the way. Okay. I'm going to use my scooper for the rest of the way on this one. So I don't get any more water. And like I said, it can get messy. So you see the Orbeez can fall out and like that. So I am only going to do that much Orbeez because I don't want to use Orbeez and also because I think this is enough for me. But you could always put as much Orbeez as you can. Next, I'm going to grab my food coloring. I'm going to actually do all of them. First, I'm going to use this one. It is very pink, so make sure you don't get it anywhere. I'm just going to put 2 drops, and it's pretty. I don't want to put too much because I'm going to put this, but I'm going to have to shake it because it gets glittery and then it floats to the bottom. So there you go. That's cool. Next, I'm going to add my yellow. So I'm going to have a soft color. After that, and it looks really cool. So I'm not going to mix it until the end because I like seeing this. And then I'm going to grab my glitter. Make sure you don't put too much glitter because that could get a real mess. So I'm going to use my twisty one, which is not working so well for me right now. Go. Okay. Remember, be careful. Glitter can get really, really messy. And you don't want to get it on yourself too much because it can get all over you and stick there for a while. Next, after you do that, we're going to move on to the next step. So that means we're going to grab our jar caps. And I would recommend using a hot glue and gluing the top so it doesn't spill, just in case. You could also add oil, you could add lots of stuff. Actually, I'm going to use oil on this one. And I'm going to use just red glue on them. So next, I am going to make sure none of the outside parts are wet because I'm going to have to use a Sharpie. Remember, Sharpies can get all over it and they can stay for a while. So make sure it's not near any babies or anything. I decided that I could do one more thing to add to it. Guess what this is? Oil! So I gotta look at this oil. It actually looks really cool. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of vinegar. More pink food coloring because look it looks so cool. Then I'm gonna shake it when I close it. Can never have it too much of that. Okay. So then I'm gonna put a little bit of this. There you go. I'm gonna close mine up really tight. Then it's time for the even funner part. But first, we gotta shake it. Wow. So this is what happens. It gets all like glittery round, and the oil sticks up the pink at the top. So let's try it. It looks so cool when you shake it. It's like, this one's like a peachy. There you have it. But we're not done. We're gonna have to add a few more ingredients because that's just too simple for me. I'm gonna add some cute stickers. Sometimes it's really good to have like no wet spaces around. So maybe you guys gotta get like a towel like this. So, because sometimes your hands get greasy from the oil. You could also do a lot more things to it. You could add inside, you could add different stickers. But I'm deciding what I want. Okay, so then I'm gonna add my stickers. You could put any of the trees. Look it. It's time for the funnest part. Remember, like I said, this is what happens. Your hands get greasy. Gotta really wipe it for you. Sometimes you need to glue it on. I'm gonna have my mom stick it on because my hands are too greasy. Tape it on. So just in case I get like some tape and I just tape it on because like it makes it shinier and it doesn't fall off. After I do that, make sure it's not wet because mine is very, very slippery. Stay. Then, when I done putting my stickers on, I am going to grab my Sharpie. Remember, like I said, be careful with the Sharpies. There we go. Then, there you have it. Your homemade, cute lava jar. Whatever you want to call it. I'll call it a lava jar because it kind of looks like a lava jar. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe on Craft Kids.